Cape Verde is a stunning island nation in the Atlantic Ocean with the population of 550,000 people. Just very small compared to the smallest state in Nigeria, which happens to be Bayelsa. Bayelsa can boast of the population of 3.4 million. And can you see what Cape Verde seems to be doing in the ongoing FIFA World Cup against two heavyweights as far as FIFA World Cup is concerned? They were able to hold their own, not giving up, showing resilience and doggedness, and of course they were able to churn out impressive results in their games. Well, Kelechi, I'm sure you've been so impressed with what Cape Verde has been doing in this year's FIFA World Cup. They've been able to hold their own. One of the few teams that you feel might likely be beaten, but they are getting the job done.
And I'm grinning from ear to ear. You know, there's a massive story brewing around that Cape Verde team.